Hello everyone. Here is a question to think about. Have you ever felt that your work clothes do not really show who you are? In this lecture, we will discuss how to add personal style to your business casual wardrobe without losing a professional appearance. Along with that, we will look at how subtle details, colors, and accessories can make an outfit feel you while still fitting into a professional setting. After completing this lecture, you will be able to incorporate personal style elements into business casual outfits. Understand how to balance unique details with a polished professional look. Select colors, patterns, and accessories that add personality without compromising professionalism. Adding personality to your business casual wardrobe does not mean dressing down or standing out too much. It's about choosing pieces that align with your style but keep the look polished and workplace ready. This could mean wearing a color you love, incorporating a subtle pattern, or choosing an accessory that makes a statement without overwhelming the outfit. Image consultant Carla Mathis explains that clothing should tell a story about who you are. She advises finding small ways to express yourself, like wearing a favorite color or a piece of jewelry that has meaning to you, which can make you feel more confident and authentic. Color is one of the easiest ways to show personality. While neutrals are a staple in business casual, you can still add touches of color that reflect your style. For example, if you're someone who loves earthy tones, consider adding olive green or warm brown to your outfit with a shirt or accessory. If you prefer bright colors, choose a muted version like soft blue or burgundy rather than a bold red. Patterns also allow for personality. Subtle patterns like small checks, pinstripes, or polka dots work well in professional settings without becoming a distraction. For instance, a button down shirt with a faint plate pattern can look stylish while staying appropriate for work. Accessories are a great way to bring individuality into your outfit while keeping it professional. A watch, a pair of simple earrings, or even a belt with a unique buckle can add character to an outfit. For example, jewelry. Choose subtle pieces that reflect your style, like a pair of stud earrings, a simple bracelet, or a delicate necklace. Avoid anything too flashy or distracting as it may draw too much attention. Watches. A classic watch not only adds to the professional look, but can also reflect your taste. Leather bands offer a classic look, while metallic ones can add a modern touch. Bags and briefcases. If you carry a bag or a briefcase, choose one that complements your personality while remaining practical. A sleek leather bag, for instance, adds a touch of sophistication. Imagine your business casual outfit as a blank canvas. The essentials like a blazer, button down shirt, and slacks create the base. Adding a pop of color, a small pattern, or a unique accessory is like adding a few strokes of colors to a painting. Just as an artist carefully selects colors to enhance their work, you choose items that add character without overwhelming the outfit. These little touches make the look yours while keeping it professional. When adding personal style, balance is key. If you're wearing a brightly colored blouse, pair it with neutral pants and understated accessories. If you prefer a unique pattern, keep it limited to one piece of clothing, like a patterned shirt with solid pants. The idea is to create a focal point without making the outfit too busy or informal. Dr. Jennifer, a psychologist who studies fashion, says that balance is about knowing when to stop. She advises that in professional settings, it's best to choose one or two personal items that make you feel confident and leave it at that. This approach allows you to feel like yourself without losing a polished look. Keep in mind that different workplaces have different expectations. In a creative field, you might have more freedom to add personal style, while in a corporate setting, sticking to subtle expressions of individuality may be better. Observing what others wear and adapting your look based on the settings help you find the right balance. The key is authenticity. When you feel comfortable in your outfit, that confidence comes through. Identify two accessories you own that reflect your personality. Wear them with a business casual outfit and see how they affect the look and feel of your outfit. In conclusion, small personal touches can make a big difference, helping you feel more authentic and confident in your work attire. So, this lecture was all about how to balance personality with professionalism in a business casual wardrobe. What colors or accessories make you feel most like yourself at work? How do you incorporate them into business casual outfit? Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Till we begin our next lecture, keep learning new things. See you then.